Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, and we are on number 6 of our daily math and daily language. So let's go ahead and get started. It says, I have $2. Do I have enough to buy all 3 items? Show your work. So to figure that out, I'm going to add all 3 of those together. So I have 83, 75, and 32 cents. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So I have 10 ones. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 tens plus 1 more 10. So we have $1.90. Do I have enough money to buy all 3 items? Yeah, I could buy all 3 if I wanted to. Okay, if we look over here, we have 2 quarters. 25, 50. So we have 50 cents. And then we have 20 plus 30 is 50 plus 2. So that's 52. Which one's larger? 52. So let's have the mouth open to 52. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 3 is 73 cents. And 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. 75 is larger, so mouth is open towards the 75. 9 dimes is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And 70 plus 20 equals 90. So we would do an equal because they're the same amount. Okay, let's look over here. 71 is the total. We have 28. What's going to go here? Like I said yesterday, there's many ways you can do it. You can do a number line or you can do an algorithm. So we're going to do 71 minus 28. I cannot take 8 away from 1, so I'm going to go over to the tens place and take one of the tens. 11 minus 8 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. So that would be 43. To correct it, I could do 43 plus 28 to make sure that equals 71. Now they want us to complete the table. 100 less than 452, we're going to change the 4 because that's in the 100 spot. So it'd be 352. 10 less, we're going to change the 5 because it's in the 10 spot. So 342. 100 more, add to the 100 spot, so that's 552. 10 more, add to the 5 spot, or add to the 10 spot, so that's going to be 562. Let's do 318. We're going to add to the 100 spot, so we have 418. Oh, we're supposed to do 1 less, so actually that's take away 1, so that's a 2. Sorry. And 10 less than that, so it's going to be 208. 100 more, add to the 3. That's where we put the 4. 418, add to the 10. 428. 679. What's 100 less? We take away from the 6, so we have 579. 10 less, be 569. 100 more, we would do 779. 10 more, 789. Okay, now we're going to add. Is there anything here in the 1 spot that will equal 10? Yeah, 7 and 3. That will make it a little easier. So we have 10 plus 8 is 18, plus 4 more would be 22. Okay, 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, so we have to add the tens together and the ones together. So that would be 30, 133. Let me see if that's right. We add the 2 to the 11, so that's 13. So this is 32, I'm sorry. 132. Because we add the 2 to the 2 more tens to the 11 would be 13 tens. We add the 2 to that tens. And then we have 2 ones. So 132. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's do it the way that your moms and dads and Mrs. Williams learned. Because I know that's how some of you are learning it at home. So we have 6 and 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Plus 2 more is 21. So we have 1 in the ones, 2 in the tens. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. So we have 201. Geometry. Okay, how many edges does this shape have? I'm going to put an X when I count. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because you have to count the ones over here as well. Okay, magic square. Add down and then across. The number in the bubbles should equal both ways. 8 plus 5 is 13. 5 plus 10 is 15. 8 plus 5 is 13. 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay, and then 13 plus 15 would be 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 28 going down, 28 going across. Okay, making words. Raincoat. Man, we needed that yesterday, didn't we? Rain, rain, rain. Here's some words I got. Now, I know that some of you probably all got different words than I, but I'm going ahead and write some words. It's okay if you got different words. These are just some ideas. Ant, cat, no, sat, can, not, ran, can, rat. I sure miss having your help. You come up with really good words when we do this together. In, so, into. Okay, now we need green and orange. It says synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, we're doing green. Synonyms are going to be similar words. Antonyms are opposites, and they're going to be orange. So baby and infant, they mean the same. So we'll do green on that one. Open, close, those are opposites. So let's do orange. Dull, shiny, opposite. So those are antonyms because they're opposite. Pass, fail, those are opposites also. Antonyms. And happy and glad, those are synonyms because that's the same thing, isn't it? Okay, context clues. It says read each sentence, use the context clues to figure out the meaning of the underlined word. Number 1 says Mandy descended down the basement stairs. I look at this word down, and I know that walked up couldn't mean the same, ran up couldn't be the same, but walked down would probably mean descended, going down. Number 2, the woman's large hat concealed her face. If it's a large hat, is it going to show her face? Will it have hid her face, or will it hurt her face? Concealed means to hide, so we're going to do hid. I know that because it's a large hat. That helps me. That's a context clue, is that it's a large hat. Okay, syllable, write the number of syllables. We have bunny, bunny. We divide it in between there, so we have 2. What about suffix is? Suffixes. There's 3 syllables. Looking at this fix a sentence, Jamie spelled the word correctly on his paper. The only thing I can see is that they need to do an uppercase and punctuation at the end. And then past tense, we have sweep. If it's past tense, it happened in the past. So that would be swept. Climb would be climbed. And feed would be fed. I hope all of this made sense to you today. I hope you're getting it done and enjoying doing it with me every morning. Like I said, I miss doing it with you, but I'm glad you're working hard at home. We'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good day.